All right, today I have a Chrysler Pacifica, and I'm going to show you how to open up the fuel door, the gas cap, on this particular Chrysler Pacifica. I'm going to show you how to do this so you can add gas to your vehicle and be on your way. But before I get started, if you find this video helpful in any way, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get going. So I'm inside of the vehicle, okay? Make sure your vehicle's in park and turn your vehicle off, okay? What I'll do is, in order to open up the fuel door, you'll have to go ahead and open up the door, well, at least I do. And if you look at the window, I have to turn the vehicle off, you'll see that there's a button right here. Do you see this button right here? This is for the fuel door. Just give you a frame of reference, it's right here. I'll go down here and I'll press this button and you'll hear a little click. And so with that click, what I'll do is I'll step out of the vehicle and then I'll go towards the rear of the vehicle. And you see this, I'll just simply pull that this way. And it has the easy fuel thing to where you can go ahead and fill up the gas right there. It shows you what type of gas, what not to put in there. You just put your gas and just go ahead, put the pump in there and go ahead and fill it up. And when you're done, just simply close this like that and be on your way. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.